Good morning, class 4. Today we will do lesson 2 of our English grammar book, The Noun Kinds of Nouns. We know that the noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So let's start. Nouns are the words that indicate means show the names of persons, places, animals, or things. Nouns are also called naming words. छोटी क्लास में हम नाउन्स को नेमिंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं और जब आप बड़े हो जाते हैं तो हम उनको नाउन्स कहते हैं. There are 5 kinds of nouns: common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns. Last year in class 3, you have done what are common nouns, proper nouns, and collective nouns. This year we will learn 2 more nouns: abstract nouns and material nouns. So, common nouns. Common nouns are the names of some common persons, places, animals, or things. Look at the pictures and then read the following sentences. कॉमन नाउन्स वो होते हैं जो कॉमन चीज़ों के नाम होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ आई से ऑल द बॉयज़ कम हियर, तो सभी बॉयज़ आ जाएंगे. बट इफ़ आई स्पेसिफिकली से नितिन कम हियर, गौरव कम हियर, तो सिर्फ नितिन और गौरव आएंगे. सो कॉमन नाउन इज अ नेम विच इज़ यूज्ड इन कॉमन. For example, animals, boys, girls, all these are common nouns. And proper nouns will be the ones which will be particular names. For example, Gaurav, Nitin, Tanmay, and so on. See the examples. The boys are playing in a park. So, some boys are playing in a park. So, there is no name of the park. Park का हमको नाम नहीं बताया, boy का भी नाम नहीं बताया. So, they both are common nouns. Next, the rats are afraid of a cat. So, rats and cat are common nouns. अगर ऐसे बोलते Jerry is afraid of Tom, तो हमें पता चलता कि जेरी माउस का नाम है, दैट विल बी अ प्रॉपर नाउन. और टॉम कैट का नाम है, दैट वुड हैव बीन अ प्रॉपर नाउन. बट हियर वी आर यूजिंग कॉमन वर्ड्स. देयर आर 3 windows in the room, so windows and room is common. He has a car and a scooter. Car and scooter is common. Next, the colored words are common nouns. The words boys is the name of persons and the word park is the name of a place. The words rats and cat are names of animals. The words windows and room are names of places. The words car and scooter are names of things. So noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. All the 4 kinds of examples are given. A common noun is the name used for any and every person, animal, or thing. So, a common noun is a common name used for any person, place, or thing. Next page. We come to proper nouns. So, proper nouns are the names of some particular persons, places, animals, or things. For example, if I say Mishti, Rishabh, these are proper nouns. जो किसी पर्टिकुलर बच्चे को बुलाया जा रहा है, किसी पर्टिकुलर बच्चे का नाम है. ओके, रीड द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल्स. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर वॉज अ ग्रेट पोएट. सो रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी का नाम लिया जा रहा है. सो दिस इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, प्रॉपर नाउन्स बिगिन विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर. प्रॉपर नाउन्स नेम्स होते हैं, इसलिए वो कैपिटल से शुरू होते हैं. New Delhi is a big city. New Delhi is a proper noun. A gorilla named Coco could operate a computer. एक गोरिल्ला है, उसका नाम है कोको, वो कंप्यूटर चला सकता है. So Coco is a name, so proper noun. The Concorde is the world's fastest aeroplane. So Concorde is the name of an aeroplane. So it's a proper noun. The colored words are proper nouns. Fun fact, Every proper noun starts with a capital letter. This I told you that capital letter is an indication that it's a proper noun. Some proper nouns use the before them. They are names of books. कुछ proper nouns के आगे the आता है, जैसे the गीता, the Bible. These are names of religious books. धार्मिक किताबों के नाम हैं. Rivers, the Ganga, the Nile. Train, the Rajdhani Express. Building, the Red Fort. So these are proper nouns in capital. Okay. Next, newspaper, the Indian Express. Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Sea, the Red Sea. Mountain, the Alps. ये सब proper nouns हैं, names हैं. The third category is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the words used for qualities, actions or state. किसी भी तरह की कोई quality है, goodness, kindness, bravery, softness, happiness, hatred, love, jealousy, hunger, thirst, ये सब abstract nouns होते हैं. Abstract nouns cannot be touched. ये छू नहीं सकते हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स को. हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स को फील कर सकते हैं. तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट का मतलब होता है जिसको हम टच नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ फील कर सकते हैं. सो रीड द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल्स. अशोका वॉज फेमस फॉर हिज काइंडनेस. सो काइंडनेस इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सोल्जर्स आर नोन फॉर देयर ब्रेवरी. वी शुड हैव सॉफ्टनेस इन आवर वॉइस. सो सॉफ्टनेस, ब्रेवरी, दीज आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स. We cannot buy happiness. Hatred leads to enmity. हम खुशी खरीद नहीं सकते. So happiness is an abstract noun. Hatred is नफरत, leads to enmity. Enmity is दुश्मनी. So hatred is an abstract noun. The colored words are abstract nouns. We can only think of them but cannot see or touch them. हम उनको देख नहीं सकते, छू नहीं सकते. In other words, we can define an abstract noun as the name of something which we can neither see nor touch but can only think of. So abstract nouns वो words होते हैं जिनको हम छू नहीं सकते, देख भी नहीं सकते, but we can only imagine them, think them and feel them. Some other examples of abstract nouns are honesty, truth, cruelty, pride, sleep, childhood. Childhood is bachpan. Health, innocence, bholapan. Cleverness, pity, daya. Death, behavior. Pain, wisdom. Wisdom is samazdari. Beauty, courage, gentleness and freedom. These are all abstract nouns. Next we come to collective nouns. The word collective nouns means taken as a whole. Collective का मतलब होता है एक साथ. For example, we say bunch of keys. तो bunch हुआ collective noun. Class of students. So class हुआ collective noun. So collective nouns name collection of people, places, things, animals, etc. Read the following sentences. A herd of cattle is grazing in the pasture. Herd of cattle. So herd is a collection of cattle. So herd is a collective noun. The army made a fierce attack on the enemy. Army is a collective noun. Here is your bunch of keys. Bunch is a collective noun. A flight of birds passed over our heads. Flight of birds. That is a group of birds. So flight is a collective noun. The mob beat the thief to death. Mob is भीड़, बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ is mob. It's a collective noun. In the above sentences, the words herd, army, bunch, flight, mob are used for collection of cattle, soldiers, keys, birds, people respectively. Respectively means herd cattle के लिए यूज हुआ है, आर्मी सोल्जर्स के लिए, बंच कीज के लिए, फ्लाइट बर्ड्स के लिए एंड मॉब पीपल के लिए. सो दे आर कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. A collective noun is the name given to a collection of people, animals, things, etc. taken as a singular whole. एक ही वर्ड से herd से बहुत सारे कैटल होने का अंदाज़ा होता है। एक ही वर्ड है आर्मी सिंगुलर, उससे पता चलता है कि बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स हैं। सो अ कलेक्टिव नाउन इज यूज्ड एज अ सिंगुलर होल। द लास्ट काइंड ऑफ नाउन is material nouns. A noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made is called a material noun. Material मतलब किस चीज़ से कोई चीज़ बनी है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक चेयर है, वो वुड से बनी है, तो कौन सा मटेरियल यूज हुआ है चेयर बनाने में? वुड। एक बुक है, वो पेपर से बनी है, सो बुक बनाने में कौन सा मटेरियल यूज हुआ है? पेपर। सो दीज आर मटेरियल नाउन्स। वुड, paper, plastic, metal, these are material nouns. Gold, silver, these are material nouns. Iron is a useful metal. Iron is a material noun. Wood is used to make furniture. Ornaments are made of silver and gold. So silver, gold, wood, material noun. Bottles are made of glass. Cotton is grown in India. So glass, cotton, material nouns. The nouns iron, wood, silver, gold, glass and cotton are the names of the materials from which different things can be made. They are therefore called material nouns. Material means a form of matter of which things are made. जिससे चीज़ें बनती हैं उसको material कहते हैं. On the next page we have formation of nouns. Form from adjectives. Adjectives से हम noun कैसे बना सकते हैं? This is shown here. Able, ability, brave, bravery, honest, honesty, dense, density, eligible, eligibility, loyal, loyalty, pure, purity, true, truly. Similarly, here also many adjectives are given and you have to make nouns out of these. Then you have given some verbs. So you have verbs here and you have to make nouns out of these. And then you have some common nouns, and from common nouns you have to make abstract nouns. Okay, abstract nouns बनाने के लिए उसमें NESS लग जाता है, हुड लग जाता है, शिप लग जाता है, पीछे ऐड हो जाता है, सफिक्स ऐड हो जाता है. सो यू हैव टू डू दिस इन योर नोटबुक. यू हैव टू राइट ऑल दीज इन योर नोटबुक एंड देन वी विल कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. We will not do the definitions. We will directly come to application questions. Underline the proper nouns in the following sentences. Abraham Lincoln was a great president. Abraham Lincoln is a name of a person, so this is a proper noun. Cinderella was a beautiful girl. This is a proper noun. So you will do this exercise on your own and then you will check it from the picture I send you. Okay? आप पहले इसको खुद करेंगे और फिर चेक करेंगे. Fill in the blanks with the abstract nouns formed from the words given in the bracket. So you have to convert the words in the bracket into abstract nouns that was given here in the table. Next, tick the correct collective nouns given in the brackets. For example, there is a dash of trees in front of a school. So clump of trees or swarm of trees? So it is clump of trees. Swarm of bees होता है, crowd of people होता है, cluster of stars होता है, and herd of cattle होता है. Okay, so you have to do this. Next exercise, you have to write the abstract nouns for the given adjectives and verbs. So adjectives and verbs are given. You have to convert them into abstract nouns. This is very easy. We have already done here. You will have to learn these. Okay? And lastly, you have to underline all the nouns in the poem. So do this on your own. जो भी किसी चीज़ के names हैं उनको आप underline कीजिए और करने के बाद आप अपने work को check कीजिए. Don't copy. Do it on your own and then check from the work given. हम स्कूल में भी ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, आप खुद करते हैं and then we write on the board and then you check कि आपने कैसे किया है. Okay? So you have to do this on your own and then check. Thank you children. study well.